Do you have any special package for this show?
I'm sorry?
Anything special you're going to perform here?
Well, not really anything special that you guys don't already know, but we will be doing a flip of all my hit records tonight.
Akon, we grew up listening to your songs since our high school days. A message for your fans in India?
But for the fans, just thank you guys for always doing all the support. I'm definitely in the region of India, which is one of my biggest markets, so I really appreciate the fan and the love I get.
I'm about to bring Akon back right now.
Baby.